Fake eggs begin with carefully selected raw materials.
Protein forms the base of fake eggs. Starch gives fake eggs their structure. Minerals create shell-like strength. Liquids bind fake egg ingredients together. Production of fake eggs officially begins.
Fake eggs begin with carefully selected raw materials.
Color creates the egg illusion. Ingredients move toward transformation. Starches give structure to egg substitutes. Quality control starts at the beginning.
Shell material is prepared separately.
Protein forms the base of fake eggs. All ingredients move toward processing. Color defines the egg illusion. Every artificial egg begins with raw materials. Liquids bind the egg mixture. Fake egg ingredients begin their journey inside the factory. Minerals create shell-like strength.
Automation moves ingredients efficiently.
Liquids flow with controlled pressure. Measured flow prevents imbalance. Timing matters before blending. All paths lead to mixing. Flow is constantly monitored. Precision prepares production. Ingredients are released together. Precision prepares production. Transport ends where transformation begins.
This factory runs fake egg production at massive scale.
Everything entering is controlled. Production continues without pause. Scale defines modern food manufacturing. Human oversight never disappears. Clean environments protect product safety. Precision begins at entry. Processing starts immediately. The fake egg mixture is cleaned first.
Preparation continues inside.
Finer filters improve consistency.
Air is removed for smooth texture.
Stability comes before shaping. Consistency is constantly measured. Color must stay identical. Fake eggs begin to take shape. Clean material is ready for shaping. Prepared shells wait their turn. Multiple streams move as one. The yolk illusion is created.
White and yolk become one.
Shell structure is added. Feet and time strengthen shells. The egg form is complete. Surface texture is refined. Color completes the illusion. Fake eggs move forward for precision. Heat starts transforming fake eggs. Firmness is carefully monitored. Color sets the realistic look. Air is removed for smooth fake eggs. Texture ensures consistent fake eggs. Each fake egg takes perfect form.
Smooth surfaces mimic real eggs.
Fake eggs are ready for precision finishing. Automation ensures every fake egg is correctly positioned. Precision controls size and consistency.
Color is checked to mimic real eggs.
Flawless shells are essential for quality. Cooling prepares eggs for finishing. Every egg meets strict texture standards. Alignment ensures smooth flow to the next phase. Automation hands eggs to final finishing. Polishing gives each fake egg a flawless finish. Every egg is spotless before packaging. Gloss enhances realism. Firmness confirms durability. Precision lines feed the next phase seamlessly. Finishing lines deliver fake eggs to verification.
Weight consistency is essential for quality.
Shell strength is carefully monitored. Color and surface are verified precisely. Internal quality is as important as surface perfection.
Lab tests confirm every batch meets standards.
Human eyes complement automated checks. Only flawless fake eggs move forward. Quality approval unlocks packaging. Packaging protects each fake egg. Trays hold eggs securely for transport. Trays hold eggs securely for transport. Sealing locks in freshness and shape. Labels ensure traceability of every fake egg. Safety checks are non-negotiable. Trays become shipment-ready cartons.
Stacking organizes inventory efficiently.
Distribution begins at the loading bay.
And this is how modern factories produce fake eggs from start to finish.